Al-Bukhari 3595, narrated Adi bin Hatim radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. While I was in the city of the Prophet sallallaho alaihi wasallam, a man came and complained to him, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, of destitution and poverty. Then another man came and complained of robbery by highwaymen. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Adi, have you been to Al-Hira? I said, I haven't been to it, but I was informed about it. He said, if you should live for a long time, you will certainly see that a lady in a howdah traveling from Al-Hira will safely reach Mecca and perform the tawaf of the Kaaba, fearing none but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I said to myself, what will happen to the robbers of the tribe of Tai who have spread evil throughout the country? The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam further said, if you should live long, the treasures of Khusru will be opened and taken as spoils. I asked, you mean Khusru son of Hormuz? He said, Khusru son of Hormuz. And if you should live long, you will see that one will carry a handful of gold or silver and go out looking for a person to accept it from him, but will find none to accept it from him. And any of you, when meeting Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, will meet him without needing an interpreter between him and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to interpret for him. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will say to him, didn't I send a messenger to teach you? He will say, yes. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will say, didn't I give you wealth and do you favors? He will say, yes. Then he will look to his right hand, see nothing but hell, and look to his left and see nothing but hell. Adi further said, I heard the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, save yourself from the hellfire, even with half a day to be given in charity, and if you do not find a half date, then with a good pleasant words. Adi added, later on I saw a lady in howdah traveling from Al-Hira till she performed the tawaf of the Kaaba, fearing none but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and I was one of those who conquered the treasures of Khusru, son of Hormuz. If you should live long, you will see what the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Abu al-Qasim, had said, a person will come out with a handful of gold. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.